Hi everybody, welcome to this tutorial on recursion. Today we're going to go to our good friend CodingBat and we're going to jump into the Java Recursion 1 set of challenges and we're going to find bunny ears. We have a number of bunnies and each bunny has two big floppy ears. We want to compute the total number of ears across all the bunnies recursively without loops or multiplication. So these are the rules of the game. If we call our function with the argument 0, it will return 0 because we don't have any bunnies. So we don't have any bunny ears. If we have one bunny, we have two bunny ears. If we have two bunnies, we have four bunny ears, etc. Okay? So this is the function that we're going to try to implement. The first thing we need to do is consider the base case. So if this value here, the number of bunnies that we're processing, is 0, well, we have to return something, right? Because this function returns something. So we're going to return 0, because 0 bunnies has 0 ears. So that's the base case. Now let's think about the recursive call. If we've got one bunny here, we're going to return 2 plus bunny ears, because this is the recursive call. We're calling the function again, but we're reducing the number of bunnies by 1 each time we make the call. Okay, so every time we bring in some bunnies, we take 2 ears and we reduce the number of bunnies by 1. Okay, so 5 becomes 2 plus bunny ears 4. 4 becomes 2 plus bunny ears 3, etc., 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 until we reach the base case. Now let's just run this and see if it works. So there we go, we've got a full set of... So I'm just going to run that again. We've got a full set of green boxes. 50 bunnies have 100 ears. Okay, so this is a solution to the bunny ears problem. Now let's just take a moment to consider what's really going on in the background. When we called the function bunny ears and we gave it a value of 5, actually what that does, it returns 2 plus bunny ears 4. So notice we're not actually returning yet because we've just called the function again. So we're not returning yet. We have to deal with this. So bunny ears 4, well, it returns 2 plus bunny ears 3. So actually we're not returning yet. We've got to deal with this recursive call. So we're calling the function again. It returns 2 plus bunny ears 2. So we've got to handle this first. This returns 2 plus bunny ears 1. Okay, so we've got to handle that. This returns 2 plus bunny ears 0. Now remember, if the number of bunnies is 0, then we return 0. We stop the recursive calling. Okay. So when we call bunny ears with a value of 0, we simply return 0. That's the end of the recursion. So this function call evaluates to 0 because it returns 0. So this function call here evaluates to 2 plus 0. So 2 plus 0 is 2. This function call here evaluates to 2 plus 2, which is 4. Notice now that we've reached the base case, we're now working our way back to handle all of the returns, right? We're kind of unwinding the recursion. Bunny ears 3 actually returns 2 plus 4. Which is 6. Bunny ears 4 returns 2 plus 6, which is 8. And the call to bunny ears 5 actually returns 2 plus 8, which is 10. Take a moment to think about that and see if you can figure out what's going on.